Drones. Once a futuristic fantasy, now an everyday reality. From delivering packages to your doorstep to saving lives in disaster zones, drones are changing our world in ways you might not expect. Let's dive into the incredible world of drones and see how they're revolutionizing the way we live. First up, let's talk about package delivery. Companies like Amazon are pioneering drone delivery services, promising to drop off your orders in just minutes. This isn't just about speed, it's also about reducing traffic, lowering carbon emissions, and making deliveries to remote areas possible. With fewer delivery trucks on the road, we could see a significant reduction in pollution. Plus, drones can access places that trucks can't, like isolated villages or areas cut off by natural disasters. In disaster zones, drones are literal lifesavers. After hurricanes, earthquakes, or floods, drones can quickly deliver essential supplies like food, water, and medicine to people trapped in hard-to-reach places. Not only that, but drones equipped with cameras and sensors can survey the damage, locate survivors, and even map out the safest routes for rescue teams. They're often the first to reach areas that are too dangerous for humans. Drones are also playing a key role in environmental conservation. Imagine planting thousands of trees in a day. Drones can do that. They're being used in reforestation efforts around the world, helping to combat deforestation and restore ecosystems. And it doesn't stop there. Drones are being used to monitor endangered species, track illegal poaching, and even assist in fighting wildfires by providing real-time data to firefighters. Drones are also making our infrastructure safer and our agriculture smarter. Engineers use drones to inspect bridges, power lines, and tall buildings, tasks that are dangerous and time-consuming for humans. In agriculture, drones are transforming how farmers work. They can survey large fields, analyze crop health, and even spray pesticides with pinpoint accuracy, reducing waste and increasing yields. The future of drones is incredibly exciting. We're looking at drone taxis, autonomous flying ambulances, and drones that could explore other planets. As technology advances, drones will continue to find new and innovative ways to impact our lives. From delivering your groceries to saving lives in disaster zones, drones are truly changing the world. And this is just the beginning. What's your favorite drone application? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay up to date on the latest in science and technology, be sure to subscribe to TechUniverse. We've got plenty more amazing content coming your way.